Action.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit of a scary video. I'm going to be trying on a lace front wig in front of you guys. I've never tried on a lace front wig. I've never cut a lace front wig. I've never even watched a video on how to put a lace front wig on, which I probably should have done before this video. But we can just do it together, and if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. And if it does, that's a good thing. I have a fair idea of how to put one on and like how to cut it and stuff, but you know, I don't know if it's gonna turn out or not. So recently I was sent a lace front wig by the brand Donna Love. So this is the brand here, this is the box of the wig. You guys wait till you see the color of this wig. It's crazy. I'm so obsessed with it. So this is the website here. They also do hair extensions, human hair wigs, synthetic hair wigs. They do a lot on this website, so I will link that down below if any of you guys are wanting to go and check that out. I had so much trouble picking a wig. I wanted so many of these wigs. I'm not even kidding you. Half the colors on here are just amazing. Wigs are so in right now, so definitely, like, even if you don't want to go and buy a wig, go and check out some of their styles. They're amazing. So colorful. We got long ones, short ones, straight ones, curly ones, like everything. So I'm just going to read out a little description on the website about the synthetic wigs. It says Donna Love Hair offers a natural feeling and softer synthetic wig. Every Donna Love Hair synthetic wig is created with the premium quality fiber. Best of all, our wigs are cost effective and very easy to care for. So it comes with a Donna Love hairbrush. It's one of the are they called detangler brushes or something? But they're the proper wig brushes. So you got to brush your hair or your wig with these brushes. I actually really love this, and I'm in need of a new brush anyway, so that's amazing. So you just get your, what's this, weaving cap, just holds down your real hair, and then you have the wig. It was all packaged nicely, apart from like the box was a little bit like scrunched up here, but that obviously is not the company's fault, it's the postal fault. So it took literally about 2 days to get here, which is super amazing because I hate waiting for anything in the mail longer than a week. I don't know why, I just hate it. And I will literally not buy something if it takes that long to come in the mail. I'll just go without or find something else, or yeah, find something else. So the wig does come in a bag like this. It's like a snap lock bag, a really big snap lock bag. I haven't even taken it out yet, so this is all first impressions. This color is amazing. I really want to dye my hair this color, but I'm too scared. It's like that orangey, I'm obsessed with it. It's so freaking pretty. I can't wait to put it on. I hope I put it on right. So this one I got is 22 inch, so it is quite long. I like how the hair comes in a net as well. Obviously it's gonna tame all the hair and not get frizzy and stuff. So here goes nothing. I'm actually gonna take this out. I do not wanna ruin this. It just comes like this. I'm gonna take this out, and then you have your lace front here. You guys can see how they have all these little bits of hair in the front. So this is what's gonna make your hairline look realistic and the wig look really realistic as well. And this wig is so soft. So this one is synthetic, but you can style it on a low heat, which is cool because I'm gonna do a separate video to this, and I'm gonna style this wig with some different like hairstyles and stuff. I think that would be fun, so like a part 2 of this video. So first up, we're gonna pop on the wig cap, weaving cap. I have put one of these on before because I do wear these with my like really cheaper wigs that I have, just to keep all my hair back. I definitely wouldn't wear a wig without one of these because you don't want any hair popping through or anything like that. So that's just what that looks like there. Here's the tricky thing. I don't have a mirror in front of me. I'm just looking in the viewfinder of the camera. So like this is gonna be so tricky. I'm going to just pop it up with bobby pins. So initially all you want really when you're popping your wig cap on is you just want your hair to be as flat as possible, because we don't want any like big bumps in the wig or anything like that. All right, so that is up really dodgy. But let's try and get this wig cap over it. So some people like to do it from the front, some people like to do it on the back. I usually like to do mine from the back, but I don't think my back bit's that secure, so maybe I'm gonna do it from the front. And then you just want to make sure that everything is in correctly. This is so hard without a mirror. I'm just gonna get out my little mirror just so I can make sure that everything is in properly. So the only part that I'm like worried about are these little stupid parts here that don't ever grow. That seems to be in nicely. Okay, so now that I look bald, let's go ahead and put this wig on. So you can see that inside the wig, they do have clips. So I take it that's what we're gonna clip in to the back or the sides of our hair. So this is the front where the lace is, and then yeah, so there's one at each side and then also one down the bottom, and then we have a little clip here at the back to secure it on tightly. That's it's so hard to try and show you guys. Bad angles here, bad angles. So that's just what it looks like. I'm such a rookie at this, guys, so bear with me. Oh my god, I look crazy already. So this is actually really, really hard to do without a mirror. I don't know how I'm gonna do this without a mirror. So what I've just done is I've pulled, you can kind of see all the little hairs here. So that's kind of where you want to start to cut around here so that you have like the little bit of hair in the hairline so it looks really realistic. The only thing with my hairline is I've got a receding hairline, so I don't know how real this is gonna look. So I'm gonna pop this mirror down now, and I'm actually gonna do these clips up because I can't hold the mirror and do it myself as well. It is so hot in my studio too, so everything is sticking to me. So I can feel the clip in the back, so I'm gonna tuck that under. So that's what I've just done there. And then there's two clips in the side, so I'm gonna tuck them under as well. And there's also that clip at the back, which I'm gonna try and clip up. Maybe I can get closer to the viewfinder and use that as the mirror. Okay, so now that all the clips are done up, the wig feels super secure, which I love. Like all my other wigs are so loose and they just fall off and look really yucky, but so far so good. I'm liking this. I'm just gonna use the brush that the wig come with, and I'm just going to gently brush back all these little bits of hair that are at the front of the wig, just so I can see. I just want to see kind of where the hair ends and stuff like that. So I want to make sure that all the hairs are pushed backwards. So what I'm going to do now is cut this wig. I've got a little handheld mirror that I'm going to try and use. I literally can't believe how secure this wig feels. So to make it easy, I'm just going to cut off this large section that I don't need. So I'm actually struggling a bit without a mirror, so I'm just going to pop these clips into the hair so I can see what I'm doing a little bit better. So I've just cut the wig, and it was literally so hard to do without a mirror, so I don't know if it's like the best job, but I'm just gonna brush through with the brush that come with the wig. It's so super soft. I love this color so much. I look so weird. I don't know. I'm not used to it, obviously. Let me zoom you out a little bit so you can kind of see. So this is what the wig looks like. I'm seriously that obsessed with it. I can't even, like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I'm so obsessed with it. I've wanted one of these wigs for years. So now that I finally have one, I'm like so excited. I can't wait to style it. I think it would look so good styled. I'm just gonna part it in the middle for now because I'm going to do a part 2 video on where I like do a few styles with the wig. The only thing that I would like do if I was to wear this out is see the part here. I would probably just fill that in with a little bit of eyeshadow because you can see my natural hair through the lace. Actually, I forgot to tell you guys what this wig is called. So this is the wig here I got. The Shrimp Long Straight Lace Front Synthetic Wig. I'm gonna show you guys how actual long it is. So it goes to there on me. Bring it around. So it goes, so there's my pants. It just sits above my pants. I love it. I love it so much. I look so different. I'm trying to zoom out a little bit so you guys can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. If any of you guys are like wanting to experiment with some lace front wigs or some different colors or anything, I would highly recommend the Donna Love Hair brand. It's like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's so silky and soft, but like not in a fake way. You know how you get like overly shiny hair and it's like so fake? This is so good. It's so thick as well. I'll try and get it all up in a pony. So that's it there. It's really, really thick. So there's lots and lots of hair in there. I'm definitely gonna jump back on the website and purchase another color just because I'm so obsessed with it. I would never recommend a product that I personally don't love. I can't stop touching it. I need to stop touching it because I just need to stop touching it. So overall, I absolutely love this wig. It's secure, it's tight, it's easy to apply, it was easy to cut. I love the color, I love the length, I love the thickness. I just love everything about this wig. So Donna Love Hair was kind enough to give me a discount code also. So it's just Jordan at checkout, and you guys will receive 25% off. So yeah, that was kind enough for them. I'll definitely use my own discount code to purchase another wig because there was so many wigs on there that I just wanted all of them. I will leave their links down below to their website, to their Instagram page, and also to their YouTube channel. Definitely stay tuned for part 2 of this video. I'm gonna do some hairstyles with this wig on. So it does claim to be heat resistant, so I really wanna test that out in the next video as well. So definitely subscribe to my channel not to miss out on that next video. And with all that being said, I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Bye!